To use Cash App Tap. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and making sure you have the latest version installed. Next, navigate to the Cash Card tab and select Get Cash Card to order a new card if you do not already have one. Once you have a Cash Card, you can enable Cash App Tap by going to the Cash Card tab and toggling on the contactless payments option. To add money to your Cash App account, go to the My Cash tab and select Add Cash. Then choose the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. You can also link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App account to transfer funds. To use Cash App Tap, look for the contactless symbol at participating merchants, such as coffee shops, convenience stores, or pharmacies. When you are ready to make a purchase, open the Cash App and select the Cash Card tab. Then tap your mobile device on the contactless reader. You will see a confirmation message on the merchant's screen and on your device, indicating that the payment was successful. To keep your account and transactions secure, make sure to use a unique and strong password, and enable two-factor authentication. You should also monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support immediately. In addition to making purchases, you can also use Cash App Tap to send and receive money with friends and family. To send money, go to the Send tab and enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or $hashtag. Then select the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. To receive money, provide the sender with your $hashtag or have them send money to your phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use Cash App Tap to make purchases and transfer funds. Remember to always keep your account information and password secure, and to report any issues or suspicious activity to Cash App support.